Hi everyone! In this short video I'm gonna show you the one of my latest gouache study from direct observation. To control my painting time I decided to use timer. I set it each 15 minutes. In the beginning I worked with gouache in watercolor way. It took just the first 15 minutes to throw up the proportions and fill in the background. Then I worked in dense layers with flat brushes. At the end I added some details with a small round brush. I used cotton paper pad here. While gouache remains for me the most convenient material for studies from nature and from direct observation. Despite its shortcoming in terms of changing tone, it is easier to take it with you and carry the finished sketch home. It's also much easier than oil or acrylic. I like watercolors for these purposes less than gouache. In general, it took me about an hour and 15 for all the work. The purpose of these sketches is to speed up my working time on location and increase the speed of work in general. It turns out to be such a small sketch. I drew palm trees that can be seen from our terrace. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.